friends, we're almost to 5:45 here on this Wednesday morning. Maybe this is the last work day of your week. Hopefully that's the case. Currently on our satellite and radar, we have showers and storms moving north of I-44 currently. No warnings out for us right now, but I did see where there's quite a few power outages in the Jeff City area because of the storms that are now into the St. Louis area. What we're seeing, rain stretching from about Stockton up to Hermitage along Highway 54 into Lake of the Ozarks, and then Jeff City getting hit hard once again with that. Whatever we do see develop could really rain a lot. We've got a lot of moisture we're working with in the atmosphere right now, and that could just kind of cause those totals to be quite impressive. So flash flooding could be an issue through today and tomorrow as well. Temperature-wise, it is an eerily warm start out there, close to 80 degrees in Springfield, a little cooler where it's rained, but not a lot, 80 degrees in Fort Leonard Wood. So I don't know, we could be toying with some record high low temperatures. Record low, yeah. Dew points, part of the reason that feels so awful out there already. Dew points in the mid 70s. It's just very, very sticky, and you'll feel it immediately. We have a heat advisory. Where the cold front sets up today, it's going to toy with our temperatures a little bit, and Springfield's kind of right on the edge of that. Those north of I-44 should be a little cooler. It'll still be warm, but those south under a heat advisory that goes until 8 p.m. and then an excessive heat warning for our counties in Arkansas, where we could see a heat index closer to 110, maybe even a little higher. It will feel a little cooler to our north. And then tomorrow, I think we're going to have to deal with really hot and sticky temperatures once again for your 4th of July. Now, it kind of all depends if it clears out quickly, if we see some sunshine, that sort of thing, but we'll get there. For today, low 90s, a little warmer down to the south where that front hasn't made it through. Places like Lake of the Ozarks could be at the mid 80s. That's a possibility. Overnight temperatures will be cooler, lows right around 70 degrees, a little warmer down to the south, but we will see the chance for rain increase as we head throughout the afternoon and evening hours. We are under a storm risk for today and tomorrow. It's a level 2 out of a 5, so a slight risk for severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. Our greatest threat during this time period will be strong winds and very, very heavy rainfall. Let's time it all out. By 10 p.m., you're starting to see a break in the rain. I don't think it's going to be an all-out washout kind of day. I think we will see some cloud coverage. By 8 p.m., so after dinner time, that chance of rain continuing to push through the area, and look at those reds. I mean, we're talking about some pretty strong storms possible with this. And if those storms train, which means one right after another in the same place over the next couple of days, we could see some pretty impressive totals there. So that's continuing for 6 a.m. Tom's probably going to have a lot to talk about tomorrow morning at this time. Then notice 4th of July, midday. Mostly dry around the area. Looks like it's going to be pretty sunny, so it'll be hot and sticky before that next round moves through. This, unfortunately, is going to be after dinner time into the firework time period, so hopefully you have a backup plan for that, and the weekend looks great. Rainfall potential, I mean, we could see closer to 3 inches for those areas to the north, like Lake of the Ozarks. 2.5 inches not out of the realm of possibility. In Springfield, we could get close to 2 inches. It's going to be a lot of rain, and that chance is really going to increase as we head through the evening hours. Your 7-day forecast shows cooler temperatures by the time we make it to Friday. Saturday and Sunday look pretty comfortable, and we'll see some afternoon rain chances Sunday.